to cook aloo bangan ki sabji with Punjabi wadis and nutri nuggets, and I will just cook with already prepared frozen masala. So let us start with the process. We don't have to do much for making this aloo bangan ki sabji with already prepared frozen masala. I will just put this masala into this cooker. I have added this frozen masala and I will add Punjabi wadis, and here I will chop these potatoes. We just have to chop vegetables and we have to just cook along with already prepared masala this aloo bangan, nutri nuggets and Punjabi wadis. So this is a quick recipe for working women. You can just prepare masala and keep in the freezer, and you can just cook your meals like this with frozen masala. I have just chopped these potatoes. 2 potatoes I have chopped, and in this spicy masala everything is already added: onion, garlic, ginger, tomatoes, powdered spices and whole grain spices all have been added. And now I am going to add in this prepared masala these chopped potatoes I have added. Now I am going to add these nutri nuggets. I have just soaked in boiling water these nutri nuggets. So I will just drain the excess water. Just squeeze them like this in between your palms. Squeeze the excess water and put into this. Only little bit of turmeric just to give it a fresh color. I am adding just turmeric and little bit of salt. Already added in the spicy masala. So I have added little bit of salt and turmeric. You can just have a look. All have been mixed into this spicy masala. I will just add little bit of water. This is boiling water, and in the meantime I will chop this eggplant. I will cover it with this, and here I am going to chop this big eggplant. I have taken curry leaves also. So we will chop this. A nice eggplant, seedless eggplant. Now I'm going to chop into slices this eggplant. You can just have a look. I have just chopped eggplant. You can just chop big or small as per your requirement. Now going to add into this our potatoes and Nutri-Nuggets, Punjabi Wadis, all have been mixed well into this frozen spicy masala. You can just have a look. Now I am going to add this chopped eggplant. These are chopped direct into the pressure cooker, and we'll add these curry leaves for flavor. We have added. You can just have a look, and now we will just mix them well. time our yummy aloo bangan with nutri nuggets and Punjabi wadis will be ready. Going to add this water, and you can add water as per your requirement, the thickness of gravy you want. Because I have to serve with rice, I am adding water. So there is no hard and fast rule. You can add water as per your requirement. And I have added water. You want to have a look? Now I am going to close the lid of this pressure cooker and we'll just cook for 4 to 5 minutes after the steam is made. And here in pressure cooker I will cook aloo bangan along with Punjabi wadis and nutri nuggets, and we'll steam in pressure cooker for 4 to 5 minutes. Here I am just closing the lid of this pressure cooker, and I am going to change the gas. Will be cooked here on this gas. And here on this gas I am going to cook this rice. I have soaked for 2 to 3 hours. And I have taken lentils, half cup of lentils I have taken, and 1 cup of rice I have soaked in water. So I am just going to add whole grain spices, cumin seeds and mustard seeds I have added, and little bit of fennel seeds I am going to add. Fennel seeds I have added, and after sorting these whole grain spices I will add water and lentils. Then when they will start boiling I will add this rice and little bit of black pepper, spices have been splattered. I'm going to add, you can just hear the sound of spluttering. I'm going to add water. And add salt. This one just added for lentils. Now I am going to add lentils in these sauteed spices. And here I am cooking dal wale chawal. I have added in sauteed whole grain spices these lentils. And now I will cook for 1 minute. Then we will add rice and water. And here our aloo बैंगन की सब्जी is being prepared. And here our aloo बैंगन की sabji is being cooked in this pressure cooker. And here our lentils are being cooked. And I will add rice. Now I will add 2 cups of this boiling water for rice. Little bit extra. I will check this is cooked. Our lentils have become tender. Now I will add these rice. I am going to add rice. Adding rice into these cooked lentils. These lentils are semi-cooked and I am going to add rice. I have added rice. This is going to be healthy meal. दाल वाले चावल and आलू बैंगन न्यूट्री नगेट and पंजाबी वड़ी की सब्जी. A very healthy and quick meal. Fresh and yummy. And we will cover it with the lid and cook our rice. I have just added rice into these semi-cooked lentils to make चने के दाल की चावल, or you can say खिचड़ी. And here I am going to switch off this gas. Our aloo bangan has been cooked. I will check. And here our chane ke dal ki khichdi is being cooked. And in between we will just check and stir our dal wale chawal are being cooked here, and our aloo bangan ki sabji. I have switched off the gas. I will check later on. Just cover it with the lid. In this way you can just make your quick and fresh healthy meals with already prepared masala, as I have just cooked aloo bangan ki sabji. You have watched the full recipe and I'm sure you have understood how I have just cooked aloo bangan with Punjabi wadis and nutri nuggets along with चने की दाल के चावल, or you can say चने के दाल की खिचड़ी. Just going to add few drops of this oil. Only 5-7 minutes more and our healthy fresh meals will be ready. And besides healthy, it's going to be delicious and yummy too. So whenever you cook your any veggie with gravy and you prepare masala, you should make some extra one to keep in the freezer, and you can just use in your other recipes with gravy, and it will save your time and energy. Whenever I just cook veggie with gravy and I prepare masala, I used to make extra spicy masala and keep in the fridge for my other recipes. And in this way I just make 2-3 more recipes with that prepared frozen masala, and it saves my time, energy and even electricity and fuel too. And let me check this, let it be cooled down, then I will just open the pressure cooker. And fresh healthy meals are essential for our good health. Instead of eating spicy food from outside, we should cook our simple healthy meals at home. Our dal wali khichdi is almost ready. You can say dal wali chawal. You can simply eat this dal wali chawal with rice and raita without any veggie curry too. Our rice are almost cooked. Just again cover with the lid. Just have a look. They are almost cooked. And here I am going to check. I'm just opening the pressure cooker. Our aloo बैंगन की सब्जी is ready to be dished out. Just have a look. Yummy and spicy veggie is ready. To serve with this rice. Yummy and spicy aloo बैंगन की veggie is ready. And here our rice are also cooked. Our rice are also cooked. I'm going to switch off the gas and just cover it with the lid, and we will open it after 2-3 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm going to dish out this spicy veggie. Into this big bowl, I am going to dish out. I will just carefully add just see our yummy and spicy aloo बैंगन with Punjabi buddies and nutri nuggets is ready. Just going to garnish with this curry leaves. Hello? Hello? You can see our yummy veggie is ready. And here our rice are also ready. Yummy rice is ready. You can just have a look. Our healthy meal is ready. Dal wale chawal and aloo bengal or Punjabi Wadis and Nutri Nuggets is ready to be served in lunch. Our lunch is running late. That's all the recipe of yummy चने के दाल की खिचड़ी और आलू बैंगन और न्यूट्री नगेट्स की सब्जी. You too can try this recipe. It's going to be very yummy and healthy meal. Our yummy आलू बैंगन की सब्जी और चने की दाल की खिचड़ी is ready. Thanks for watching. Bye. I will cook aloo बैंगन along with Punjabi Wadis and Nutri Nuggets, and will steam in pressure cooker for 4 to 5 minutes. Now I am going to end the stream. Thanks for watching. Bye.